What's up, guys? You know who it is. It's your boy Kenny with JDM Muscle, and we're back. And as you can see, I'm standing in front of a truck. So that means yes. I know it's long overdue, but I finally have picked myself up a truck. That way we can get a trailer and we can finally get to a damn drift event without driving the drift car to the events and trying to get it home. So this is my new to me, but new. It's a 2010 Ford F-150 XTR full crew cab with a 5.4 V8. I thought I stole this thing for the price I paid. I feel like the miles are relatively low, four-wheel drive, exactly what I need here in Michigan. Full crew cab just because I do need the space, and I was able to pick one up with a 6-foot box. The guy had just put brand new rubber on it and on the 18s, so the brand new rubber was pretty cool. Came with the tow pack, which is nice just because we are going to be towing a trailer, and of course we're going to be towing the Z and then the S2000 if we need, and then whatever the future car is going to be. But this is a quick little walk around, guys. I'll open up the doors and kind of show it off. That way you can come take a peek. It's a little dirty because we have used it, but yeah, I'm pretty excited. Like I said, new to me, it really needed to happen. I feel like the body's in really good shape. I'll walk you guys around so you can kind of see the whole thing, and we can go from there. All right, guys, so I'll do a quick walk around. Like I said, 2010 F-150. I love the red color. Thought it worked out really well for me. The body's in really good shape. I picked it up, and the back brakes were a little sticky, so brand new calipers and brakes, and I was all set to go. Just went with the cloth interior. Nothing special, but it does it for me. Sorry, it's a little dirty, but super pumped. That way I have a full-size truck, something to tow with. Running boards are nice too, climbing in and out. I thought overall, carpet, seats, everything was really clean. The body is pretty rust-free. There's small little spots, and of course the frame's starting to do it. Gotta love Michigan. But overall, really clean. You know, backup camera, flex fuel if you want to run the E85. But nice little walk around. From here, guys, it's really going to come down to I want to wash, clay bar the whole thing, and then I really would like to buff it and then ceramic coat it. So that's really the plan. Otherwise, guys, now the next step is finding a trailer. So from here, now that I got the new truck, please, comment. Let me know what kind of truck you drive. Let me know if you have a similar truck or if you're an F-150 guy, Chevy, Dodge, whatever it may be. No hate on any of them. I've sold and drove every make and model that they make when it comes to trucks, cars, whatever it may be. So I'm pretty excited. Don't burst my bubble. I know I could have bought something newer, whatever. There's always going to be somebody that says something. But this is the video for today, guys. So always subscribe, like, comment. Like I said, please tell me what you tow with. Tell me maybe what I should do to this thing. Do I keep it stock? Do I mod it? I don't know. Comment below and let me know that. Otherwise, peace out. And until next time, next video, we better get a trailer.